Anjali, the Australian Counselor at Advice International. As you all aware that Advice have initiated the live session on Facebook and Instagram to keep you well posted into new updates, course related, student related and many more. So I would like to tell you why to choose Australia a study destination. It is economical, affordable and demandable country. It is a friendly and a multicultural society. High quality of education, qualification is recognized globally. Scholarships are also available. If you can afford your living expenses by your own self by working as a part-time in Australia for 20 hours per week and 40 hours per fortnight. Australia also gives you the post-study work permit. In Australia, we have a post-study work permit which gives you for 2 years, but in regional areas, you get 3 to 4 years of work permit. So the popular courses which we have in Australia, they are agriculture, architecture, MBA, business analytics, health science, engineering, information technology, communication and many more. So I am going to tell you about health and science course program. Studying health science. With the increasing number of people who are becoming more conscious of their health, studying health science has become a popular option for many students. Some of these courses are nursing, midwifery, physiotherapy and nutrition, etc. Health science is a robust and versatile major having a specialization like radiography and nuclear medicine. Choosing a course. Health and science course in Australia, it ensures to provide immense importance to practical work and it encourages students to participate in the field work. Moreover, deserving students are given the opportunities to realize their potential with scholarship avenues. Students are also given the opportunities to interact with the patients. So the popular health and science course which we have, they are complementary medicines, dental science, medical radiations, nursing, optical dispensing, pharmacy, psychology, social work, sports science, workplace, health and safety and many more. Support offered by the universities in Australia are equipped with the anatomy labs, nursing wards, nuclear medicines, workstations and many more. Future prospects. So there is a growing demand for these professionals in Australia and it also offers a huge opportunities to students. These programs are developed in discussion with practicing professionals. In some cases, many offers placements, student clinics, work experience in Australia and overseas too. So the top universities which offers these health and science programs in Australia, they are University of Sydney, the University of Queensland, Melbourne University, Monash University, University of South Australia, University of Western Australia and many more. So what are you waiting for? Come and meet Advice. Advice is one step ahead and it will help you out with all to clear your doubts, to whatever queries you have, come ahead and go with it. Advice also do have a 29 years of excellence. It represents over 725 universities overall. So we also have conduct many virtual education fair, that is the Eduton series, where we assist students to meet international university representatives. Over there, student queries about courses, visas, scholarships, loans will be answered by these delegates. So, we have conducted a virtual education fair which is on 3rd March at 11 to 2 o'clock on Science and Health Science program. So, please do attend the same. Those interested can register themselves on our website, that is adviseinternational.com. Thanks, and hope my information will help you, and if you have any queries, kindly drop a message in the chat box. Thank you.